Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the graph song and you're able to try numbers 2, 4, and 6 on page 10. So now this is the answer, so that way you can check to see if you did it right. So again, the format is slope-intercept form. M is your slope, B is your y-intercept, your beginning. Tells you where to start, it tells you where to go. So this one, number 2, hopefully you realize that -2 is the y-intercept on the y-axis. That's your b value. And your slope was also negative, but this was 3/2. So when you graph this, you start at -2 on the y-intercept, and then you go down 3 for your rise or your fall, and then over 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then to get more points than that, I think you probably get at least 2 more. You're going to go up 3/2. 1, 2, 3, and then left 2. If I can get at least one more. 1, 2, 3, left 2. Like that. So your linear graph looks like that. Okay, number 4. Okay, it looks like these last two are going to go off the graph, so hopefully you're able to notice that. This one, you have a slope of 2, and remember, if it's a whole number, you write it as a fraction, 2/1. The y-intercept's 5. So when you put your first dot at 5, the starting point, and you try to go with that slope, which is 2/1, you're up 2/1, you're off the graph. So the opposite of up 2, right 1 is down 2, left 1. You just keep that pattern going as far down the graph as it lets you. And again, for the heck of it, just to show you, if I went off the graph, I would be up 2/1 like that. So it's a straight line. And then the last one was number 6, excuse me. Hopefully you're able to, same thing, this one's going to go, I think, it looks like way off the graph. It would go like down here on my table here. So I'm going to put a dot, well, my y-intercept, my b value, so m, b is going to be, so -4 is my start. My slope is -7/3. So now I'm going to put my dot at -4. Definitely cannot go down 7/3, so I'm going to do the opposite. So I know it's a nice negative, but I can't go all the way that far down. So I'm going to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not right 3, because that would be a puff positive slope. I'm going to go left 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, going downward. Nice negative. And what I do, I went up 7, and I went left 3 to get that slope to work correctly.